guys, today my daddy captured this catfish and I live in the Philippines. My brother's with me. And there's coconut. You want me to show you the pool? Yeah. This is the pool where no fish is in there. And this is where they capture the catfish. My daddy catch the catfish. And my mama is here. And that's her phone. That's not our house. And the bathroom is in here. And also